Okay, this section is a little bit more confusing because we're learning something called the nth term, and we need to understand what a T1, T2, T3, and T4 are. So in the problem, they're going to give you a question such as Tn equals 5 plus 4n, and they ask you to find T1, T2, T3, T4. What this implies is the nth term is the first term in every sequence. For example, if you had a series of numbers, a sequence of numbers, such as 9, 13, 17, and 21, this is your first term. Your first term is 9. 13 is your second term. This is your third term, and so forth. Okay? So once we understand what a term is, we realize that they want us to find the first term using this equation, meaning what is the number for the first term. So we label as this. We're looking for the first term, 5 plus 4, and n, again, is 1 because we were looking for the first term. We use the equation that they give us. Every problem will have a different equation. So the first term is equal to 9. So if we make a chart, we know 9 is our first term. Our second term, we're going to use the same equation. But now our n is 2 because we're looking for the second term and they tell us that n is 2. So our second term is 13. Our third term, we plug in a 3 because it tells us that n is 3 now. Our third term is 17. And just to save us some time, the fourth term is 21. Okay? So given the nth term, first, second, third, fourth, find what the first, second, third, fourth term is. Now they must give you some type of equation in order for you to find the first, second, third, and so forth. Now we have to tell whether this sequence is arithmetic, geometric, or neither. So we test it. How did I get from 9 to 13? We added 4. 13 to 17, we added 4, and so forth. So this is an arithmetic sequence. And the common difference is a positive 4. So although the directions seem quite lengthy, we're actually just finding the different terms that they're asking for. We write it out, and then we try to figure out if it's an arithmetic sequence or geometric, or sometimes it's neither, meaning if it's plus 4, plus 8, plus 9, and there is no actual pattern, then you just write neither.